Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. I welcome you in my leadership lecture series. This is lecture number 12, and in this lecture I'm going to talk about leader-follower relationship. You as a leader should know that how to deal with the follower and the situation. Okay, so what do you think about leader-follower relationship? Please pause my video, and before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Alright, so I would understand and I would share with you my understanding that leader-follower relationship is based on three spheres. Number one, in first circle or sphere, there is leader. In the second circle, there is follower. In the third circle or sphere, there is situation. And in between or in the center of the overlapping of three circles, there is the concept that's what I call leadership. So the bigger overlapping, the bigger leadership, bigger impact, bigger influence. The lesser overlap, the lesser leadership, the lesser impact, the lesser effect. So leader and follower, they have shared boundaries, and that is based on personality, that is based on position, that can be based on expertise. So they overlap their boundaries on the basis of these aspects. When I talk about follower and the situation can be based on their boundaries, or their circles can overlap based on values, norms, cohesiveness. So the values can be overlapping, followers values with the situation, the norms values with the situation, the cohesiveness of the situation with the cohesiveness of the followers with the situation, that also is important. When I talk about the third circle, that is situation, and how the leader circle is overlapping or touching the boundaries of situation, here the task is important, the stress and strain level is important, the environment is important. So on the basis of this, let me tell you, leader goes on learning. The point here is what the people say, that leadership and learning ability or learnership, they go hand in hand. Leadership and learnership, they go hand in hand, I repeat. Okay, leaders go for learning based on two loops. As per academicians, they say the single loop learning and double loop learning. So what is single loop learning? Single loop learning means the learning between the individual and the environment, in which learners seek relatively little feedback that may significantly confront their fundamental ideas or actions. So that is single loop learning. When I talk about double loop learning means the willingness to confront one's own views and others' views as well. Learner opens to information and power sharing to others to improve communications effectively and decision making as well. All right, so that's what we call leadership learning style. What is a leadership learning style? Leadership learning style is based on what I say, three important aspects, rather four important aspects. In the beginning, action, observation, reflection, or whatsoever you take on. You can start with the observation. The leader observes, then experiences, then reflects, then experiences, then takes action, then experiences, then moves on. So this circle moves on and on and on. So a leader, you as a leader, observe something, some phenomenon, then you reflect it. That's important. Just observing is not important, is not enough. You observe, then reflect. Reflect means express, and then take the action. So this is leader's learning loop based on three important elements: observation, reflection, and action. And as I said, the leader goes on getting the experience on each step. Observation, experience, reflection, experience, action, experience. Then it moves towards observation, reflection, action, observation, reflection, action. It goes on and on and on. All right. So, you as a leader, let me tell you, as I mentioned in the beginning, that leadership and learnership is indispensable. Keep followers close to the heart. You as a leader, keep the followers, keep the employees close to your heart and improve them through effective delegation, empowerment. Let me tell you that it's important to understand the pros and cons of conflict and apply the appropriate techniques to resolve them. And lastly, leadership is based on inspiration, not domination, on cooperation, not intimidation. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. I would be thankful, and share my videos if you like.